Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Canon Pixma TS3450, and now I'm gonna show you where you can install the inks on this device. To do that, you need to open the ink door. To do that, here you have the button, so press it and release. It's cool. Ink door is opened. Here you have blue elements. I'm gonna show you right now. Wait a while. So here you have two blue elements, and using these elements you can open it and close. So right now it's closed and now it's opened. So on the left tray you can install colored inks, and on the black tray you can install only black inks. So just check where you installing color and black inks, install it, then close the trays, close the door, and cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, bye.